Hey guys, what's up? Everything okay at your homes? I hope so. Look, I'm here hiding in my toilet because I have discovered something so strange at my home. Look, I have one machine, one home appliance. I think this is the biggest mystery in my house that makes things cooler. I'm afraid.
Oh man, come on, are you kidding me? It's just a fridge. You have to be brave and go for it and discover how that machine works.
It's true.
You will never fear again.
I have to go
that
and discover
machine.
how that
Come
machine
on,
works.
Let's go for it. Come on, guy.
Well, class, here's the fridge. This is the next home appliance we're going to discover. Look, this is one of the most strange home appliances we have at home, but it's really useful and important for us. Why? Because thanks to the fridge we can maintain our food for a long time. But how is the cold inside generated? Is there a piece of the North Pole inside? I don't think so. There is no ice, so how does it work? How can we cool a place like a fridge? So your next goal is going to be to search information about the fridge. Let's discover how this machine works.
This is technology at home.